I'm back with another YouTube video. And today, we're gonna do a pirate ship. This drives by itself. I think it's really detailed. And I'll be right back. Sorry about that. My brother just told me that we're gonna do the ice bucket challenge. So, and it drives by itself, I hope. And me and my dad hope it's waterproof, and I think it really is. We just went on a hike, and the dogs are really weird, really tired. And Jack is trying to float a dead bird away, which is my brother. So, let's bring this thing in the water. And here it is. If you didn't really understand me later, I told you that it floated. So, it's just cool. And it can sink. Oh, and that's the water stream. Here, let me check something. And here it is. It's beginning to sink. It may take a little bit. Let me tip it a little. Get water kind of going in. There. Watch this. I know you already saw it, but I think it's pretty cool. Oh, there it goes. Look at how it blows the dust. It's cool. Well, I think that's the end. Bye.